Welcome to the first Make It Monday. My name is Stephanie and I'm one of the librarians at the Robbins Library. Each week we're going to do a project which you can complete with household materials. And the week before we'll publicize on social media what you'll need. And hopefully you have gathered paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls and tape for this one today. We're going to make a marble run, and it's pretty easy to do, and we'll go through the steps together. So, stay tuned. So, you start putting up your paper towel and toilet paper rolls one at a time, going down at an angle, taping them securely, and making sure there are no gaps, and go down as far as you like. Ready to try it? Here we go. Perfect! Hit right into the target. Yay! Let's try it again.